So to hook up the rain barrels in the spring, we need to take off the covers, and you need a Phillips screwdriver to do that. And you just unscrew the two screws. There's one on the top and one on the bottom, and they don't screw in very far. And then the cap comes off, and it's hard to see, but this one actually does have an A on it. And so then I'm gonna find the hose that again has A on it, but it's really difficult to read. And it also has A here. So this has the right size hose for this location. And to install the diverter, so that's what this part is, you squeeze in the sides and you push it through the hole into the downspout. And then you put the screws back in. And a better screwdriver is always suggested. There we go. So the screws are in, and then the last step is to put this end of the hose into the hole in the back of the rain barrel. And you're done.